Hello, dear students. Myself, Mr. Pramod Murari, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, HIT New Jersey. In this small session, we'll discuss about A operator in case of symmetrical components. It is a convenient and a shorthand method of indicating a rotation of a phasor through 120 degree. Here, the letter A, which is used to designate the operator that causes a rotation of 120 degree in anticlockwise direction. The operator is a complex number of unit magnitude with an angle of 120 degree and is expressed as A is equals to 1 at an angle 120 degree. It can be written as 1 dot e raised to j of 120 degree cos 120 degree plus j sine 120 degree. Further, it can be expressed as minus 0.5 plus j of 0.866. If any phasor which is multiplied by A operator is remain unchanged in its magnitude, but it is rotated by 120 degree in anticlockwise direction. Similarly, A square can be expressed as 1 at an angle of 240 degree. Further, it can be written as 1 dot e raised to j of 240 degree. It can be expressed as cos 240 degree plus j sine 240 degree. It can be written as minus 0.5 plus minus of j 0.866. Hence, operator A square will rotate a phasor in anticlockwise direction by 240 degree. This is same as rotating any phasor in a clockwise direction by 120 degree. Further, I can write A cube is equals to 1, A raised to 4 is equals to A, 1 plus A square is equals to 0. If I take a conjugate of A, it may give me A square. If I take a conjugate of A square itself, it will give me A. Further, few more expressions can be written for A operator. A minus A square can be written as j root 3. A square minus A can be written as minus j root 3. Say for example, I will show three phasors VA, VB and VC. If I use A operator and if I take VA as a reference phasor, if I multiply A to VA, like this, that will rotate by 120 degree and come at the place of VC, and hence VC becomes A into VA. It means that I can express VC in terms of VA if I take VA as a reference phasor. In the same way, if I multiply by A square to VA, that will rotate by 240 degrees. That will rotate by 240 degree in anti-clockwise direction, and it will reach the position of VB, and hence VB becomes A square into VA. So likewise, I can express the phasors by using A operator and find the relation between VA, VB, VC in terms of VA only. Thank you.